Nice. Yeah, you like to move and move it. That's awesome. Okay. If anyone, like, R3BM Viper, if you're still there and you wanna... I'm in the brick box. Sorry, right here. Right here. Other one. So, R3BM Viper, if you're still there and you want to join, just comment your Epic ID below. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I was trying to spam R3BM. Not R3BM Viper, the Venom. We could just do this until he runs out of builds. No healing. Get me. GG's, bro. Here. Okay, come in. All good? Where's Nyx? Did you leave, Nyx? Okay, lobby. Let's do some Battle Royale. Chill, Zesty Bestie. Okay, do you guys want to do some Battle Royale? I'm sorry, Doughboy. Just a sec, I'm changing my outfit. Oh, sorry, you have it? Wait, bro, I actually, timed that. You ready up, Nyx?